Homemade chicken fry recipe with mashed potato. Introduction. Fades in to show a well-organized kitchen with ingredients on the counter. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we're going to whip up a mouth-watering homemade chicken fry with creamy mashed potatoes. So, let's dive right into it. But before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. For the chicken fry: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, vegetable oil for frying. Ingredients for the mashed potatoes: 4 large russet potatoes, peeled and cubed, 4 tablespoons butter, half cup milk, salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start with the preparation. Step 1: Preparing the chicken fry. First, season the chicken breasts with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. In one bowl, add flour. In another bowl, whisk 2 eggs. And in a third bowl, place breadcrumbs. Take a chicken breast, coat it in flour, dip it in the egg, and then coat it with breadcrumbs. Repeat this for all the chicken breasts. Now, heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, carefully add the chicken breasts. Fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until they're golden brown and cooked through. Our delicious homemade chicken fry is ready. Set it aside while we make our mashed potatoes. Step 2: Making creamy mashed potatoes. Boil the potatoes until they're fork tender, which should take around 15 minutes. Now, mash the potatoes, add butter, milk, salt, and pepper. Our creamy mashed potatoes are ready to serve. Here, beautiful plate with chicken fry and mashed potatoes. Time to plate up. Serve the crispy chicken alongside the creamy mashed potatoes. Here is the delicious meal. And there you have it, our homemade chicken fry with mashed potatoes. It's a match made in food heaven. This is absolutely delicious. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today on Multi-Recipe and Cookeries channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tasty tutorial. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you.